Imagine a world where your thoughts have the power to control machines. No hands needed, no voice commands required, just pure, unadulterated thought. This isn't science fiction. This is the dawn of a new era where the boundaries between mind and machine blur, creating a seamless interface that could redefine our very existence. This is the incredible potential of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These devices are not just a leap in technology, they are a leap in human capability, offering us unprecedented control over our environment. These devices are poised to revolutionize how we interact with technology and, indeed, the world around us. Imagine being able to operate your computer, your phone, or even your car just by thinking about it. The possibilities are endless and the implications profound. For centuries, we have relied on our physical bodies as intermediaries between our brains and the external world. From the earliest tools to the most advanced computers, our hands and voices have been the primary means of interaction. We use our hands to type, our voices to speak, our bodies to move. These actions, while effective, are limited by our physical capabilities and the need for intermediary devices. But what if we could bypass these limitations? What if the barriers between thought and action could be removed entirely? What if we could communicate directly with computers and machines using only the power of our minds? This is not just a theoretical question, it is a practical reality that BCIs are beginning to make possible. BCIs offer a glimpse into this extraordinary future. They represent a paradigm shift in how we think about interaction and control, moving from the physical to the mental. They hold the key to unlocking a new era of human potential, where our thoughts can directly translate into actions. This could mean a world where the limitations of our bodies no longer constrain us. Imagine a world where your thoughts can directly translate into actions, where the speed of thought becomes the speed of action. This is the promise of BCI technology. In this new world, disabilities can be overcome. BCIs have the potential to restore lost functions, giving people with disabilities new ways to interact with their environment and regain independence, and where the boundaries of reality itself can be blurred. Virtual and augmented realities could become more immersive and responsive, driven by the power of our thoughts. This is the symphony of thoughts, a new frontier of human exploration. It is a journey into the unknown, where the only limits are those of our imagination. This is a journey into the heart of this revolution. A revolution that promises to change not just how we interact with technology, but how we understand our own minds. Join us as we delve into the science, the possibilities, and the challenges of brain-computer interfaces. We will explore the cutting-edge research that is making this technology a reality and the profound implications of brain-computer interfaces. From medical applications to everyday conveniences, BCIs have the potential to transform our lives in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the new frontier, and it is just the beginning. As we delve deeper into the world of brain-computer interfaces, we begin to see the profound ways in which this technology could transform humanity. From enhancing cognitive abilities to potentially curing neurological disorders, the possibilities are vast and, quite frankly, mind-blowing. Imagine a world where thoughts can be transmitted directly, bypassing the need for spoken language. The future of BCIs holds incredible promise, but it also raises important questions about identity, privacy, and the very essence of what it means to be human.
With the rapid advancements in brain-computer interface technology, we are witnessing a revolution in how humans interact with machines. This technology has the potential to transform lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. However, as we venture into this uncharted territory, there are significant ethical concerns that we must address. For instance, who will have access to these powerful tools? Will it be limited to a select few, or will it be available to all? Access is just one part of the equation. We must also consider how to ensure that the benefits of BCIs are distributed fairly and not just available to a privileged few. This raises questions about equity and justice in the distribution of technological advancements. How do we ensure that the benefits of BCIs are distributed fairly and not just available to a privileged few? This is a critical issue that requires careful consideration and planning. And what about the potential for misuse? The power of BCIs could be exploited in ways that harm individuals or society. We must be vigilant in preventing such scenarios. It's essential that we establish robust ethical frameworks to navigate these challenges, ensuring that the technology serves humanity in a just and equitable manner. By doing so, we can harness the full potential of BCIs while safeguarding against their risks. When we talk about brain-computer interfaces, we must consider the potential for misuse. The ability to access and perhaps even manipulate thoughts raises profound ethical questions. How do we ensure privacy and consent in a world where our innermost thoughts could be exposed?
Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the world and each other. But they also bring up important social implications. How will they affect our daily lives, our relationships, and our sense of self? These are questions we need to explore as we move forward with this technology.
BCIs offer incredible benefits, from restoring mobility to those with paralysis, to providing new ways of communication for individuals with severe disabilities. However, we must also consider the risks, such as the potential for hacking or unintended psychological effects.
Absolutely. While the medical applications of BCIs are groundbreaking, there are still many unknowns. We need to proceed with caution, ensuring rigorous testing and ethical standards are upheld to protect patients.
As we stand on the brink of a new era in technology, the potential of brain-computer interfaces is both exciting and daunting. These interfaces promise to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, offering unprecedented control and communication capabilities directly from our brains. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. Developing this technology requires overcoming significant scientific and ethical hurdles, ensuring that it is safe, effective, and accessible to all.
Speaking from personal experience, BCIs have given me a new lease on life. They have enabled me to perform tasks that were once impossible, bridging the gap between my thoughts and actions. They've allowed me to regain a sense of independence that I thought was lost forever. This technology has not only restored my physical capabilities, but also my confidence and sense of self. It's a journey of hope and innovation, one that we must navigate carefully, but with optimism. Each step forward brings new possibilities and challenges, requiring us to balance progress with caution.
Indeed, embracing the potential of BCIs means acknowledging both the opportunities and the responsibilities. We must ensure that this technology is developed ethically and used to enhance human life. Together, we can shape a future where technology enhances our lives while respecting our humanity. By working collaboratively, we can create a world where BCIs are a force for good, improving quality of life and expanding human potential.